What's up, guys? I'm back. Last time you seen me, we had a little mishap with the vehicle that's inside the shop right now.
Bro, not the right color.
What?
Gotta go, my guy.
So today we're taking the wrap off, praying the decal stays, laying some new vinyl, dynamating the world, and getting a new box installed. So after we got done unloading the box that Cody and Dylan just got done building, I got straight to work on removing the vinyl, praying and hoping the vinyl stickers did not come off with the wrap. While I was doing that, Cody and Jeremy were getting busy tearing apart the rear of the Jeep. The old box had to come out, the amps, everything, just to fit the new box in. Alright guys, we got the vinyl off. And I'm working on the hood. These guys are going to be working on that box.
It's weighted though, so it's like heavy.
Does he feel the weight of that?
Yeah, it's way heavier.
That's what she said.
That's what they've got going on. Meanwhile, I'm going to prep this hood and get this vinyl laid out. Okay, we've got the grill done. We've got the hood done. Wait a minute. We still got to put the inserts in. There we go.
Bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar.
I love it when a plan comes together. Alright guys, Jeremy's just about done wiring these subs up into the box. These Timpano subs are capable of handling 2,500 watts each. That's why we're putting them on this Timpano 5K. The 1000.4 will be running the component sets. Everything on the Jeep's going to be running off the Retro 56. So it's just about time to put this box into the Jeep and get it all working.
Welcome to today's tutorial on VIP production. Fucking heavy.
Oh, see for the tips there, bruv.
Guys, I haven't seen Cody this happy since...
Are you a pothead fucker?
No. Alright guys, we're over here setting off car alarms. Thankfully they're our own. We'll catch you in the next episode. Tell me what you liked about the video. Tell me what you didn't like about the video. Either way, I'll see you guys later. In the next video, we get out of the shop and do some car spotting. We go to the last car show for the season. We'll also be checking out some drift action, a skyline with some crazy taillights, and a lot more.